It's gonna storm. I don't know if you guys are aware, but last night there was a huge storm that went through Alabama, spawned tornadoes, and went through Birmingham. Alex is from Birmingham. He called his family, and his family's alright, but destroyed a lot of the town. A lot of stuff messed up there. But luckily his family is alright. And we just got a tornado watch, ironically. And that's what this storm is. Tornadoes. And it wasn't that long ago where the vlog was a tornado, but it was in Wisconsin, where Mallory was. So what the heck, man? What Mother Nature? Hey, what's up with all these storms? Another thing that I should probably go ahead and address, because for some odd reason I keep getting these comments over and over, is when Minecraft is going to come out. And I don't even think that that's the actual question. That cat fart smell. Anyway, I don't think that that's the actual question that's going on, but there's people that are leaving comments every single day saying, we want more Minecraft. Okay, you're gonna get more Minecraft. You don't have to ask. It has been coming out regularly, but I did realize that I haven't actually stated what the schedule on the game channel is, and if you guys haven't figured it out, obviously I'm alternating between Earthbound and Minecraft, but the scheduling, at least in my mind how it's going to play out, is every 5 episodes of those, so 5 of Earthbound and 5 of Minecraft, we'll then do a Left 4 Dead 2 campaign. So we started with a Left 4 Dead 2 campaign, then we have an episode of Earthbound and Minecraft, Earthbound and Minecraft, Earthbound, so we have 5 of each, which is very soon. So instead of getting a 6 episode of Earthbound, you're then going to have, a few days of a Left 4 Dead campaign. Then it will resume to Earthbound and Minecraft. And that's the way it's going to go. So if you are enjoying Minecraft, which apparently people are, which is awesome, I'm really excited that you're enthusiastic, but you don't have to ask for more. It's coming. You're going to get more. And people have also wanted to know when the stopping point for that is. I haven't set one. Originally I was going to, but I decided not to. And as of right now, it's going to go at least as long as Earthbound goes. And I'm thinking that Earthbound's probably going to be somewhere between 40 and 50 episodes. So probably going to get 40 and 50 episodes of Minecraft, at least. It may go longer, but I plan to do it at least as long as I do Earthbound, unless it gets, terribly uninteresting or something. Something that has been on my to-do list for literally 2 years, I'm not even joking about that, it's been on my to-do list.txt for 2 years, is recreate, or really make a good Fobbies or Borange website. Make a Fobbies or Borange website. There has existed one, but it's been like giant buttons, and people were like, why don't we have a real website? And, I was like, I don't know. Anyway, it took 2 years to get around to doing it, but it only took 2 hours to make. So I sat down today and I made this. This is the new Fobbies or Borange site. It basically has all the information that the forum topic does, except on a website, and there's also a space for where are they now, where hopefully I will get the information from the other guys soon, and it'll say like what we're doing. So yeah, Fobbies or Borange site now exists, which is long overdue, but you're welcome. Another thing I should probably show you, and just because this is the worst I've ever seen it in my life, this is pretty bad. This is pretty dastardly. This is bad for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's a pile of crap. It's pretty bad. But number 2, it's reasons like this that we end up like going out to eat. And we can't do that because all of us, well, most of us, are watching our calorie intakes now. So going to a fast food place, it doesn't really fly. I mean, we still do it occasionally, but now that we're watching our calories, it's like, it's harder to do. I mean, I'll be the first to admit that I have the biggest calorie budget, but I mean, I don't want to put everyone else in a bad position just because I'm capable of eating like 2,500 calories. So as of right now, dinner is up in the air. What we prepare will probably be based around the concept of washing as little as possible. How would you say it?
I would say we're gonna try and not have to clean anything.
I said it fine. I just said it different.
You said we are going to begin exploring being based around the concept of thinking about dinner in a different paradigm wherein the dishes will be a non-limiting factor in our ability to constrain the effigy onto the sunset boulevard of dinner. I'm going to go over the list of possible dinner choices again. We got Zatarans, red beans, and rice. That's it.
Well, at least we know what we're having.
We came here.